This will be my final, I hope, tutorial for electro anodizing titanium parts. So what I'm doing right now is I'm polishing up this titanium item. It was a parrot prototype, but I've never released it. I hope you're having a good image of what's happening. So I first polish it on the belt grinder, and now I'm trying to high polish, not mirror polish, but high polish it with some really fine grit sandpaper. So I've tried a couple of times with this particular item, and every time to remove the anodizing I just strip it off via polishing and sandpaper. Now I will just swap sides. I hope this tutorial doesn't come very long, but anyways, this is another chance to see the whole process of cleaning up detail, etc. I don't need it to be perfect because I'm still working, so I'll just see if I have better results now when it's polished with higher grit, because after all anodizing is just a film over the item, so there's theories that if the item is polished with lower grit, there will be more holes into the surface, and in different angles the colors will pop up most likely more. Okay, I don't need it to be high polished. This is the item. So let me show you what I will mix up now for the solution. Just to take the camera into probably like this. Sorry for the whole thing. So first of all, I don't have multi-etch, I don't have any other titanium etching solution because I'm living in an Eastern European country, and here I really can't import such thing. So I will just use simple rust removal from my local hardware store. I've read some articles that it may help cleaning the item. Always use protective gloves when you are working with such liquids, solutions, etc. You should probably wear a gas mask or something to protect your breathing system in your body, because these are actually quite hazardous. So I'll just put really fast this item here while I'm mixing the other things. So the next is after I put out the titanium item from the rust removal, I'll have to dip it really fast in this purified water to clean what's left from the rust removal. And I've read some other articles that suggest to then dip it into a window cleaner, because all the guys from these articles are writing the brands that are mostly American, and I don't have these American brands over here. I will just try to use what I have, so just pouring some window cleaner. It will help the colors to be more deep, more colorful, more shiny, something like this. I hope it will help me to do this. So the next thing, I have these ready, and the next thing is this stainless steel bowl that I will use. This will be my negative part of the electric system. What will I will add? I will add a bunch of things, because I don't know why. Because I read so much articles and I don't have the things, so I will mix all the articles that I read. So again, purified water, and after I've put the purified water, I should buy another one because this is on the bottom. I will add something which is called borax. It's for cleaning. Probably you also have it in your hardware stores, because I've read just borax over the internet. I just searched borax the same way in my language, and I bought this, which is used for cleaning in the house. So I will add let's say 2 big spoons of this, and I will mix with this plastic, something that I found in my workshop. Also, I read that vinegar, this is white vinegar, the most expensive one in my store. I don't know how much, but I'll just put a bit and continue mixing. And the last thing that I will add is this baking soda. In Bulgarian it says soda. And I'll just add, let's say, a spoon. I don't know what will happen, because I really haven't tried this mix before. This is a mix of all the things I've read over the internet, so I hope it will work, or at least it will show some results, and continue to mix this. I've read somewhere that this liquid that will it should be heated up so it can dissolve all the borax or the TSP that you guys over America are using, but I don't have it. It's also for cleaning. Okay, so I think I've mixed what I've mixed. Next thing is this stuff. This is just a plastic bag with you know, these strips. Why I will put this thing in the bowl? Because the bowl is from stainless steel, as I've said before, and because of that, if I touch the titanium item to one of the sides or the bottom of the bowl, there will be a short circuit. So I don't want to do this, so I will just put this plastic bag in, and it will prevent the bowl, which is stainless steel, to touch the item. Next thing that I've read is that you should start from 0 volts. What I will try to do is to make it bullish. So bullish is around 25 volts. So you're just, I will just put it, turn it off. Okay, so what I will do now is I will just take my pliers, take the titanium item, and really fast, because we don't want the item to be exposed in oxygen long, because the oxygen will create another film which will prevent the cool anodizing. So really fast, from the rust removal, bam, I'm putting in the purified water. From here, this is titanium wire. Why it should be titanium? Because I don't know why. I'm not a chemic, I'm not a scientist, I'm just a computer engineer who is having a hobby. So in all the articles it was said that this wire must be titanium. So I'm using a titanium wire, and I'm trying, without exposing to the oxygen or making dirt, the item, to hook it up in my titanium wire. I've almost done it. By the way, I don't have any music now, because last time I've tried to do a tutorial, YouTube just took down my video because my radio was playing, which is actually something that all you guys know. Okay, so let's say I'm ready. I'm turning on the DC power supply. It says 0 volts, so I'm dipping the titanium item into the glass cleaner, window cleaner, and after that I'm putting it in the solution I've just mixed in 0 volts. Before that, I will just take the camera and try to just a second, please. I'm trying not to stop the video. Okay, I think now is almost okay. Yeah, something like this. Just a second to turn it off so I can take it. Yeah, something like this. Okay, we are ready now. Turning off again and taking it here. You're seeing something? I'm starting to increase the volts. Now we are around 9, which will bring the bronze yellowish, and I don't know if you're seeing it, but yes, it's starting to become yellowish. Really, really nice. I'm continuing now. I'm around 15 volts. $20, and we are going up to 22. You're seeing that the color started to be something like purple, let's say. I will stop it in like 26 volts. Now we are 26 volts. I will just take it. I will just turn on off the power supply, and here's our item. Really nice. Yes, it's actually deep core purple, but you can't see it because the item is wet and it's shiny over the sun. So just a second to what's the word? I don't know the word. I'm taking just this paper and put here, taking this here. Oh, this secret project. And here's the item. You will see that in the hose there's pink color. This is because of my vast anodizing, and pink is around 90 volts, and that's why it's not removed by the blue. Yeah, I really actually like the color. Let's put it here. Okay, so this was my final attempt of trying to capture all the steps in anodizing titanium. You're seeing, let's move to, oh no, I just yeah, this is the color and I really like it. Yeah, this is the color. Thanks for watching, and please give me your feedback if I'm doing something wrong, if I'm doing something really good, etc. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys.